written by Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu was born in 1879, 13 February, at Hyderabad. She was a great prodigy, freedom fighter, and a poet. She was a first woman who was a part of National Congress of India. She is a great politician. She is a freedom fighter of. She got a she is a main the important. She has an important part of our freedom. She is the governor of. She is the first governor woman. She is the first woman who have a governor of Uttar Pradesh. Today we will learn about the village song.
Honey child, where are you going?
I am going to the wild forest.
Would you cast your jewels? Would you leave the mother food? Would you leave your lover?
Mother, I am going to the wild forest, where the champa was brought. Where the champa was brought. And the birds are flowing. The koel hunted. The koel was hunted. The river was reserved. The koel hunted. The river was reserved. The lotus lily was flowing. The sound of the voice of fair folk calling me.
Honey child, world is full pleasure. Honey, the bridal song and the cradle song at sandals leisure. The bridal robes in the room, silver and suffering glowing. The bridal cake on the heat.
The bridal song, the candle songs are constant of sorrow. The laughter song today, the laughter song today, that was the wind of death tomorrow. Streams, fair the sweeter sound of forest notes, where was trilling the whole forest. No, mother, I cannot stay here. I cannot stay here because